Happy Friday, everyone. Black Friday, pre-BC, before COVID. My family would be, my wife and daughters would be out shopping, enjoying Black Friday. Not happening anymore. So, things change. The only constant in life is change, and such is life. Anyway, so, my hair is even getting longer. I used to go completely shaved down and tight beard, but till the end of this year, I'm just letting it go. Gonna get that Santa Claus look in, as I've said before. Anyway, it's not what I'm talking about. So we're gonna talk bot, because bot is what I've been. The Sneaker Ninja bot. You've seen a little icon. Definitely going. It's got a life of its own. I'm really enjoying this project. I've invested a lot of time and energy now in learning more about this part of the world with regards to software and purchasing of products online and things of this nature. It's quite fascinating. I just see this business is growing. I'm enjoying the work, and getting so many great feedback from people on the Discord channels and people on Slack, heck, Facebook, even YouTube. Getting some feedback, some information. I'm going to try to put my Slack connection in the link below. I've got the Twitter account in a link below. I'll put the Slack connection in, my personal Slack connection, or not Slack, Discord. I will put my Discord connection in the link below. Please contact me. All right. I'm just going to, right now, just going to do probably 100 licenses this first drop. See where it goes. I might just limit. This is going to be a very limited distribution. It's a complicated piece of software. What it does is really good, and I'm just going to keep it to the people who really want to use it. Anyway, so with that said, I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. I did. And, like I said, if you're interested, contact me in the Discord link below. I will put up a Discord server. Discord's easy and free to sign up with. It's very modern. All you have to do is just sign up, and discord.com, discord.com, I believe. Anyway, the link will be below. Definitely sign up and contact me. And that's where I'm going to run right now. It seems to be the best overall. My emails have been blowing up, and even people are contacting me on LinkedIn, through LinkedIn. But let's move you guys all to Discord. I am going to move everyone I can to the Discord communication. It's free, it's simple, and we'll use that for now. Anyway, I look forward to hearing from you. The lucky few who will buy the product this before the end of this year and have a chance to use it. Yeah, I'm looking forward to working with you guys. Take care. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. I will be putting up another one over the weekend. I will be getting the licenses out to those who've already started to buy the product and the license code. So there we go. Now, remember, when I say buy the product, this is a software as a service. What does that mean? It means that this software is always being upgraded. It is connected to a model that where every time it's upgraded and pushed up, you get the latest copy of it. You don't even have to, it doesn't ask you to download it. It just downloads it and puts the latest copy on your system. So if you are a beta tester, that happens a couple times a day, because we push up lots of interesting stuff to the beta testers. If you are an end user, or where you just use only the stable releases, yeah, you might get an update once a week or once every 2 weeks, but you're still getting an update. It is a service. You're not buying a static version of it and complaining and being upset that something happened after you bought that static version of the code. You are buying the code that is being upgraded and improved. And if some major thing takes place at a period of time, someone changes the way they do something, which happens all the time because none of us have control over the websites that we're visiting. If something major changes, as soon as we're caught up, you get the upgrade. If something breaks because of the way something changed on the internet, and I don't mean the overall protocols, I mean the process of buying something or the process of finding something, and we find a fix to it, and when the fix gets pushed up after it's tested, you get it. You don't have to, that's the neat thing about software as a service. you get the constant upgrades and you get them the next time you run the program. Anyway, with that said, I look forward to those of you guys who are going to sign up and buy the limited license or the limited licenses for this Surface as they come up. Geez, much longer than I expected. We're at 5 minutes. Look forward to hearing from you guys all. Look for that lovely little icon. I'm going to put it at the end of this sucker, and you'll see the icon for the program. And well, heck, I hope to see you on the Discord chat channel. There's another message. I hope to see you using the system. And for those of you, like I said, who get there and get in those limited licenses first, I'm going to be happy to work with you. You take care. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.